How has organizing your ideas helped you this week? Let's reflect and refine. Welcome to day 32 of the Transform 365 challenge. This week, we have been building our second brain, a system to organize our thoughts, ideas, and knowledge. Today, we are taking a moment to pause and reflect on how this process has impacted our organization, productivity, and mental clarity so far. Reflection is a very powerful tool. It helps you appreciate the progress you have made, identify what's working, and uncover areas for improvement. Let's dive into this deep dive reflection together. Start by asking yourself, what feels easier now that I have this system? Are there specific tasks or areas of my life that feel more organized or manageable? Maybe gathering all your notes into one place has saved time when searching for information. Or perhaps using tags and templates has made it easier to stay consistent with meeting notes and journaling. Write down these wins. Celebrating what's working will keep you motivated to maintain and improve your system. Next, think about how setting up your second brain has affected your mental clarity. Ask yourself, how has this helped me free up mental space? Do I feel less overwhelmed knowing that my ideas and tasks are stored in a reliable system? If you have been able to focus better on creative work or problem solving, because now you no longer juggle scattered thoughts, that's a huge win. Or if capturing everything in one place has reduced the stress of forgetting important details, write that down too. Now let's look at what could be improved. Ask yourself, are there parts of my system that still feel clunky or confusing? Do I need to refine my categories, tags, or templates to make them more intuitive? If you are finding it hard to locate certain nodes, consider simplifying your tags or creating subcategories within the folders. If you're not consistently adding new information to your system, think about setting a daily habit to capture ideas as they come up. This step isn't about being critical, it's about fine tuning your system so it works even better for you. Finally, based on what you have learned from this reflection, write down one actionable adjustment you can make moving forward. Commit to reviewing your notes weekly to keep everything organized and up to date. Add a new template for a task you repeat often but haven't streamlined yet. Simplify your tagging system by consolidating similar tags into one keyword. This small adjustment will help you ensure that your second brain continues to grow in a way that supports your needs. Reflection helps you appreciate the progress that you have made so far because every small step counts. It helps you identify what's working well so you can double down on those strategies. And it helps you uncover areas for improvement so your system evolves with you over time. This practice ensures that your second brain is not just a one time setup, it becomes an ongoing tool that grows with you and supports your goals. Take 10 to 15 minutes today to reflect on how setting up your second brain has impacted your organization and productivity so far. Ask yourself, what feels easier now that I have this system in place? How has this helped me free up mental space? What adjustments can I make moving forward? Share one insight from your reflection in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to hear how this process is helping you grow.